Going by the numbers, one way of looking at how safe is safe enough is to look at the current rate of fatalities, injuries, and crashes, and assert that as a minimum, a highly automated vehicle should be at least this good. The 2019 National Highway Traffic Safety Administration NHTSA data on public roads shows that there were about 36,000 fatalities, which is 1.1 per 100 million miles, almost 3 million injuries, and almost 7 million police-reported crashes. It should be noted that not all crashes are police-reported. This data includes drunk drivers, speeders, no seatbelts, and so on. This means that unimpaired, law-abiding drivers would have lower crash rates than what is listed. A footnote on this data is this is only for public roads, so if private roads such as parking lots and driveways are included, the numbers do go up appreciably. Out of this data, non-occupant fatalities, such as pedestrians, are 20% of the total, which is a significant and growing fraction of the fatalities. Motorcycle fatalities are 14%. An implication of this data is that you should expect 0 deaths in a 10 million mile road testing campaign, or on average expect 1/10 of a death and 2/100ths of a pedestrian fatality. That means the budget for a road testing campaign needs to be no fatalities and not even any near hits of pedestrians.